If you like to know how I achieve this beautiful wig, how I install this beautiful wig, keep watching. So this is my back. This is Xtrend hair. So I'm going to provide all the link down below to purchase it. So this hair is from Xtrend hair. It's a beautiful brown hair. It comes as curly, but I've straightened it a bit. So this is the look I went for, and I love the hair. It takes curls really well, and it's also easily to straighten. I have curled it and I have straightened it, and it works perfect. So yeah, hope you like it. Enjoy watching. So this is the finished result of the hair. This is how it looks like. It wasn't working for me as purely curly, so I tried to straighten it a bit, and this is how it looks like. Because it's short, it was looking too short when it's curly, so I just straightened it up a little bit, and this is how it looks like. Look at the back. I love it. I love how it turns out. I think it suits me. I don't tend to go for brown hair, but I think this one really suits me. It's beautiful. And this hair is from Xtrend hair. So this video is sponsored by Xtrend hair. I received this beautiful hair from Xtrend hair. So thanks to Xtrend hair, they provided my hair for me. So yeah, this is my makeup. I did not record the makeup. If you want a makeup tutorial for this look, you can request it. This is my dress. Also, the dress was provided from this company from Amazon. Can't even remember the name. Yeah, so this is the whole look. I decided to go with a pattern free, like sort of no pattern, and it works. So yeah, it's beautiful. It's nice. It looks nice. This is my earring. And I'm ready. Yeah, so this is the whole look. Hope you like it. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you. Bye.